everyone, and now it's time for a public service announcement from your friendly neighborhood Silvatron. Beep, 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 don't cough into your hand, 'cause that is right where the germs will land. Then everything and everyone you touch will get sick, so coughing in your elbow is slick. Cough into your elbow. Help us all stay healthy so we don't have to stay home and be sick. Coughing in your elbow is slick. And don't cough into the air, 'cause all those germs go everywhere. And everything and everyone they touch will get sick. So coughing in your elbow is slick. Doodle-doo. Cough into your elbow. Help us all stay healthy so we don't have to stay home and be sick. Coughing in your elbow is, coughing in your elbow is, coughing in your elbow is slick.